Hey guys, today I'm starting with my outline sketched onto a white background, and I'm using acrylic paper, but you can use canvas or just about any white surface. So I'm starting with just a small round brush and putting in the black in the eyes and nose. And then with that same brush, you could use a round brush or a small flat brush or whatever. I'm just putting in some flower shapes, whatever color flowers I want, in the shape of the necklace. And then with burnt sienna, I'm just kind of putting a little dot in each one for the center. And now I've mixed together some yellow and blue for a green shade, and I'm just kind of scumbling in some greenery around the flowers. Alright, so now while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and put the base coat on the face. And the base coat is a mixture of blue, black, and white. And then with burnt sienna, I'm going to fill in the rest of it, the rest of the body. And I'm just going around the flowers right now, but after a while I'll go in and put some of this color in between to kind of, so that it doesn't look like it's just pasted on there. But with a little bit of black added to it, I'm darkening up some of the areas. And I'm just using a flat brush for this. Alright, so now I'm coming back with my little round brush and putting that color in between the flowers. So now you can see that it doesn't look like it's pasted on there anymore. And now with an even darker, with more black, I'm putting in some darker shades. I'm just kind of reshaping the ear. And the center of the ear needs to be fairly dark. So this is just plain white on top of this. This blue is dry now. So I'm just using plain white and putting in some hair texture. Now I've mixed together a little bit of white, a little bit of burnt sienna, and a little bit of that red violet for the nose. And then with just watered down black, I'm putting in some of my shadow areas. All right, now that the white is dry, I want to come back and brighten up some of the areas. I'm not doing the whole thing because I want some areas to be brighter than others. So just kind of look at the reference photo and see where the brighter areas are, which is where the light is hitting it more. And the same thing on the nose, there's going to be some highlights. I'm just kind of touching up things right here where I want either more color or more shadow or even more highlights, just whatever I feel like it needs. Now with a small round brush, I'm kind of reshaping the eyes and just adding in the details that I want the eyes to have. I don't want this to be really detailed, but it does need to have some. And then I'm just dotting in some white highlights on the necklace. All right, now this is a hog bristle brush, just a flat hog bristle brush, and I'm using black to kind of dry brush in my background. And my background is, I guess it would be a barn, like a barn wall. So it's going to have like planks. But you want to keep your brush strokes going vertical. Don't go sideways or at an angle or anything, just keep them straight up and down. And always start at the cow and pull away so that you don't create any weird marks. Now with the edge of the brush, I'm coming in and scrubbing in some dark areas between the planks. And if you get it too dark, you can come back with some white to lighten it up. And that is it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you.